Hey, and welcome to another edition of Andy's Items and Memorabilia Box Breaks. Today, what we have here is a box of Donruss Elite 2017 football. So what we'll find in here is two autographs guaranteed. This box ranges about $100, $99 I think is what I paid for this. If you can get it cheaper than that, you've done well. Okay. There are a lot of inserts in this pack. However, I would say that there's not a lot of high value. You're looking for a bunch of the legendary players, autographs, historic autographs, than you are, say, the rookie cards. Maybe 10, 15 bucks for the rookie cards, if they're the elite ones. But other than that, it's probably just a value box, anything under $100, where you get a couple autographs, and then you just hope one of those autographs are a good one. Okay, so I will open this, and while I do, please hit the like button. And in the comment section, you can comment on if you've opened one of these boxes, what kind of cards you've gotten in them, or what kind of box you want to see us open, and we will get one of those boxes. I know we have a vault coming up here soon, which has 10 memorabilia items in it. We opened up a 2016 Legacy of baseball and got a Hank Aaron redemption card autograph. That was pretty cool. You can watch that video. It'll be posted up soon. So here we go. Let's pull it open. There's what the inside of the box looks like. We're looking at, I think it said 20 packs, 5 cards per packs. We'll just start at the beginning here and see what we can get. All out the bat, we got an Ezekiel Elliott. Of course, I think last year was his actual rookie year. Jordan Matthews. Joe Williams, that's a numbered rookie card. Sam Bradford, who's always injured it seems like, and Jeremy Hill. Oops. What do we got here? So there is a Taco, his name is Taco Carlton. That is numbered 38 out of 149. Rookie card. T.Y. Hilton and Larry Fitzgerald. So it looks like there might be a memorabilia card in here. Let's see what it is. And that is a Jordan Howard Elite Coverage. Game worn card. Marius Thomas. Eli Rogers. There's another thick pack in here. Let's see if it's something good. Rookie Elitist Corey Davis. It's not autographed. And then we got one of those old insert holders. Got a running back. Jordan Mathis. Jordan Reed. Ryan Tannehill. Who was... And then, of course, the reliable Tom Brady. Terrell Pryor. TJ Logan, rookie. So we're getting close to halfway through these, and we haven't pulled out any of the two autographs. Let's see what we got here. Corey Coleman, AJ Green, Eric Decker. The thing about these boxes is that they have a lot of packs. Is that you have to go through a lot of common cards to get that one or two good cards that you're looking for. There's an Andrew Luck and J.J. Watt, Matt Ryan, A.J. Pearson. Where opposed to if you get a box of like the Leaf Cut where there's one card in the box, you know you're getting an autograph. But with that said, you only have one chance that one card's decent, and you're paying $70 for that one card. Where here, you have at least one or two autographs at a lower price. Michigan, if you have Michigan fans out there. Robert Kelly, rookie. Another card placeholder. Turling Sharp. Right, well, at least we know that the autograph should be coming soon because we're running low on packs. Let's see what we got here. Here's one of them. Here we go. Turn of the Century. Davis Webb. It's a Davis Webb Turn of the Century. I wouldn't necessarily say that that is a very valuable card itself, but still a nice card to pull. And then the old Aaron Rodgers. Golden Tate, Russell Wilson, Stephon Diggs. Now we did pull out a Stephon Diggs redemption card out of a Leaf box earlier. You'll see that in the video. Ben Roethlisberger. Kevin Gorman, Chris Gunn, there's another holder, Kirk Cousins, Todd Gurley. Now, while you're sitting here watching us open these packs, I really would appreciate if you hit the like button. That way, we get a lot of views, and then we can start giving away prizes and gift cards on our videos. Fired up, Phillip Rivers. All right, well, we got 5 packs left, it looks like. Try to find that last autograph. It's guaranteed. Alex Smith. Aaron Rodgers, wish that was autographed. 4 card packs left. We did have a Leaf Vault box where it had a Jerry Seinfeld autograph in it and a Pele jersey. You can watch that video. That was a really cool box to pull. They're very pricey. Oh, here we go. Draft Jamal Williams, Pen Pals. So there's a Green Bay Packers, Jamal Williams, Pen Pal autograph. I don't know if he is necessarily Jamal Williams. I don't know if he is, the elitist of, let's see here, I can probably look it up right here. Let's see what we got here. Jamal Adams. So he's not coming up immediately, so I don't know if he's really a high valued item. Des Bryant. Stafford. And last but not least, oops. Phillip Rivers, Brandon Marshall's, Ted Williams. That's weird. Ted Williams, rookie elite. Allen Robinson and Devontae Freeman. So, the Donruss Elite $100 box. Is it worth it? I don't know. It really depends on what kind of cards you pull out of it. This particular box, no, I don't think it was worth $99. But, you could pull out some really good cards out of here. There are some good inserts. To me, this is a value box. You really, under $100, you're willing to waste $100 because you like the game of football. And you just want to collect football cards. And you just hope to get that 1 or 2 good cards. Otherwise, you might be better off going off and buying the particular card out of the set that you're looking for, because you can probably get it cheaper than that, and you don't have to deal with all these extra common cards. Okay? So thanks for watching my video. Again, hit the like button, and until then, enjoy your memorabilia. Thanks.